Hi everyone. Today we're going to do a little experiment / review. We are going to get the coffee from McDonald's and from Starbucks on the way. And I'm going to pour them into different cups to let my husband try. He will tell me which one tastes better. But before that, which coffee do you think will taste better?
Me? Well, I think McDonald's coffee is going to taste better because I am partial. I'm supposed to. I love McDonald's. I just love McDonald's. I love the buttermilk chicken sandwich. I love it. I love the chicken tenders. I love the Big Macs. I love McDonald's. So I'm a McDonald's fanboy, even though I know that they're competing against the coffee giant of the world. They're gonna win.
I think Starbucks should be better because that's what they do, right? Selling coffee.
That's their only job, yeah.
Yeah, but I remember when we were in Hong Kong, we tried the coffee in My Cafe once, and it was excellent.
Yep.
My Cafe is actually a fancy sub-branch.
Yeah, My Cafe is a very fancy sub-branch of McDonald's in
China.
Asia.
Yeah. So let's see. So we just get a McDonald's coffee. Starbucks, they are same size. And now I'm going to pour one of them in the mug. This is a coffee I pour first.
Okay, this one is bitter. Not very sour. It's got a decent body. You know, you can feel it all over your mouth. It's I would say it tastes a little bit burnt. It's a little bit over roasted in my opinion. But overall, it's very smooth. It's smooth, but I would say it's a bit burnt.
Do you like it?
And baby, I drink Maya Vinic. It's very hard to compete with that. It's like comparing like craft brew with like Bud Light. I mean, this is better than no coffee for sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Baby, did you turn the beauty filter all the way up?
Now, try a second. Right. Okay.
You know what? Let me have one of those crackers before we, because I can't taste it.
Some Mexican crackers.
Reset the flavor. And some agua.
Agua.
I can tell, like right off the bat, this is a different kind of coffee bean. This is way more bitter. Certainly not as smooth as the previous one. I think the flavor is a lot more. It's just bitter overall. Good thing that this coffee has over the other one, and and that's a big deal for me, is that this coffee doesn't taste burnt.
Which one would you
it's
prefer?
acid. Oh man, that's a tough one. But I would have this one. I would prefer this one. I would prefer this one. The second one. The first one is it just tastes burnt. It's just like I'm drinking a chunk of coal.
Go. Which one do you think is Starbucks? Which one is McDonald's?
I think this one is McDonald's.
Okay.
I think the second one is
the answer.
yeah.
The second one is McDonald's.